Welcome back to Cock Channel. Today, let's make this super cute bear keychain. It's very easy to make. Let's get started. First, connect two brown pipe cleaners and wrap them around a brush handle. Thread a pipe cleaner through the center, pull it toward the end, then twist tightly. Trim off the excess, then adjust the shape. Roll a white pipe cleaner to make the snout. Trim off the excess, apply glue, then attach it. Roll a brown pipe cleaner into a flat circle like this to make an ear. Make 2 ears, then glue them in place. Apply glue, then attach the plastic eyes and nose. And our little bear is finished. You can use this design as a hair clip or a keychain. Both look super cute. Give it a try.